Roman numeral. And the aspect of Roman numeral that we want to look at today is addition and subtraction of Roman numeral. Last week we looked at the most important numbers in Roman numerals that can help us to be able to understand what Roman numeral is all about. But today we want to look at another aspect of Roman numeral that has to do with addition and subtraction of Roman numeral. Now, I told us in our previous video that to get the Roman numeral, to convert the Roman numeral into figure, what we should do is that sometimes when we have bigger numbers, that we should try to split it. Okay. Now today we'll be talking about how to convert. Okay, to convert the Roman numeral to figure, add or subtract, and then now convert it back to Roman numeral. Now we will be looking. Let's first of all look at addition. The addition. Now, rule number one is that we convert the Roman numeral into figures. Rule number two, add the numbers together. Rule number three, then convert the answer to Roman numeral. Now let's look at this example. Add the following. Okay. Number one, we have xxx plus xl. Number two, xc plus xl. Number three, we have cm lx plus dcl. Now let's look at the solution. The solution for number one, we have xxx plus xl. Now what we say we should do, now let's go back to our rule. Rule number one, convert the Roman numerals into figures. xxx, x is 10. So when we have triple x, we have 30. XL, I told us in the previous video that when we have the smaller number before the bigger number is subtraction. So x is 10 and L is 50. So when you have the smaller number before the bigger number is subtraction, so you take away 10 from 50, you give us 40. Then we add the two numbers together to give us 70. Then our answer 70 is 50 plus 70 is 50 plus 20, and that will give us 50 is L and 20 is XX. So the final answer is LXX. That is how to add in Roman numeral. Let's consider the second question. The second question, we have xc plus xn. What is xc? X is 10, c is 100. So you have the smaller number before the bigger number. You take away 10 from 100 will give us 90. xn. X is 10 and L is 50. Take away 10 from 50 will give us 40. So 90 plus 40 will give us 130. And 130 is equal to 100 plus 30. When you expand it, this is what you have. 100 is C and 30 is X. So when you bring the two together, you have C, X. Question number 3. Question number 3, C, M, N, X plus DCN. CM can go together and LS can also move together. CM is 900. LX is a 60. So when you join them together, you have 960 plus DC is 600 and L is a 50. So you have a 650. So when you join the two together, 960, 650. 0, 6 plus 5 will give us 11. 1 plus 9, 10 plus 6, 16. So we have 1610. We'll expand this number. It will give us 1000 plus 600 plus 10. Now 1000 is M, 600 is a DC, and 10 is X. So you bring the three together, you have M, DC, X. So this is how to add in Roman numerals. This is how to add the Roman numerals together. Now let's look at the subtraction. This is the addition. Now let's look at the subtraction. You use the same principle. But where we have addition, we will subtract. So we will convert the number, the Roman numeral to figures, then we will subtract where it is necessary. Now let's look at this sample. Subtract the following. Okay, number 1, MCL minus DCX. Question number 2, we have LXX VI minus XLIV. And question number 3, we have XX minus MLX. Solution. Question number 1, MCL minus DCX. We convert these to figures. M is 1000, CL is 150, C is 100, and L is 50. So we have 150. 1000 plus 150 will give us 1150 minus DC is 600 and X is 10. So we have a 610. So where we have 1150 minus 610. 0, 5 take away 1 will give us 4, 11 take away 6 will give us 5. So we have 540, and 540, when we expand, we have 500 plus 40. 500 is D and 40 is XL. So when you bring the two together, you have DXL. Now let's consider the other questions. Let's look at other questions. Let's look at the other questions. Question number 2. We have LXX VI minus XL ID. LXX is 70 and VI is 6. So when we join the two together, we have 76 minus XL is 40 and IV is 4. So we have 44. 76 minus 44, 6 minus 4 will give us 2, 7 minus 4 will give us 3. So we have 32. When we expand it, we have 30 plus 2. And 30 will give us X, 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 and 2 will give us II. So 76 minus 44 will give us 32. And 32 will give us X, 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 II. That's the final answer for this. Now let's consider the last question. The last question here is MMXX minus MLX. MM is 2000, M is 1000, another M is 1000, 1000 plus 1000 will give us 2000. Then this XX, X is 10, another X is 10, we have 20. 2000, that would be 2020 minus M is 1000 and LX is 60. So we have 1060. When we subtract 2020 and 1060, when we subtract, we have what? 1 here, 10, 9, 12 take away 6 will give us 6, 9 take away 0 will give us 9. So we have 960. 960 will give us 900 plus 60 when we expand. And 900 is CM plus 60 LX. So when we join them together, we have a CMLX. So this is how to add and subtract in Roman numeral. Now, we want us to solve these questions on our own. One CM IP minus DCL, 2 DCC plus MX. So, and when we are trying to do this, we should consider how to convert from the Roman numeral to figure and add or subtract where it is necessary. Thank you for today's lesson. In our next lesson, we'll be looking at the multiplication and division of Roman numeral. Thanks.